Okay, I came into your public speaking course. And what I did is I clicked on Course Tools, Course Admin. And I went into the Course Builder. Then I clicked on the plus sign next to Module 1. One thing I noticed is that you had a red exclamation mark here. So I went over to the discussions under Browse Tools, and I just dragged and dropped that right there. That removes that red exclamation mark. Now we're going to go through the other modules. So I'm going to click on the plus sign next to Module 2. Come down, then I see a red exclamation mark. I see that it's an assignment with a drop box. So I'm going to go over to Browse Tools, scroll down under Assignments, and I want Introduce Yourself, which is right here. I'm going to click on this, drag it, and drop it. Now the red exclamation mark is gone. Let's go to Module 3. Scroll down. There's another one. Speech 2, Informative Speech. This is an assignment that's right here. Just drag it and drop it. Next one. Speech 2, Informative Speech, Self-Assessment. It's right here. Drag and drop. Let's go to Module 4. I see an exclamation mark. Speech 3. I'm still in assignments under Browse Tools. I'm going to grab Speech 3, drag it, and drop it. Next one, Persuasive Speech Self-Assessment. Drag and drop. Go down to Module 5. There's nothing under Module 5, so we don't have to worry. So even though there was a plus sign which indicated that there may be something, when I clicked on it, I realized we don't have any content under Module 5. Let's check out these others. Start here for college. Scroll down. No red exclamation marks. How about academic and course resources? Scroll down. Nothing. Tutoring services, probably nothing we have to worry about, so we're just going to ignore that. But that's how I can bring it back in. Now, I'm going to go over to content, and I can see everything. Module 1, everything's there. Module 2, and same, it holds true for all other modules. So that's what happened. Somehow the links are broken, but now they're all back in place. I hope this helps you. Thank you.